Feeling nervous about the Spanish GCSE Speaking Exam? Don't worry. We've got 7 tips to help you stay calm, sound confident, and score higher. Tip 1. Learn set phrases. Memorize useful expressions like en mi opinión, lo mejor fue, and creo que. These boost fluency and make your Spanish sound natural. Tip 2. Practice with a timer. Set one to speak for 1 or 2 minutes on different topics. This builds confidence and helps you think on your feet. Tip 3. Use connectives like también, por eso, and sin embargo. They help your answers flow smoothly and sound more advanced. Tip 4. Don't panic if you make a mistake. Just pause, correct yourself if needed, and keep going. Confidence is key. Tip 5. Learn key question words like ¿qué?, ¿cuándo?, ¿dónde?, and ¿por qué? If you understand the question, you'll give a better answer. Tip 6. Practice role plays. These usually cover topics like buying tickets, booking a hotel, or ordering food. Get used to the format. It's predictable. Tip 7. Record yourself speaking. Listening back helps improve your pronunciation and shows how much progress you're making. Extra tip. You need to ask a question during the conversation task, so ask it. It can be as simple as, ¿Y tú? You've got this. Keep practicing and trust yourself. For more tips, visit tutorspanish.co.uk. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Spanish help. Buena suerte!